Like any other organization, quality in a pull system is critical so that flow occurs smoothly in a pull system. Each person is responsible for ensuring that quality occurs in their tasks. Most organizations that implement pull will use many of the principles from a lean organization or the ZQC system that was created by Shigeo Shingo. Both of these quality systems are often used with a clear understanding of the 5 levels of quality. The first is independent inspections. The second is when people inspect products or information as it is produced. The third is when a downstream person checks a product or information as they are received. The fourth level of inspection is mistake proofing or poka-yoke of errors and standardization. The last level of quality is when both internal and external suppliers control their processes and never pass on errors or defects. As you may have guessed, operator inspection of products and information and downstream checks are the 2 fundamental levels of quality in a pull system. These levels, however, must follow the most basic knowledge and rules if you want to succeed. Never allow a defective product to enter your workstation. Never produce a defective product. Never allow a defective product to move out of your area. These 3 rules will help ensure that your pull system can flow freely and that any defects will reveal new opportunities to improve. We'll see you in the next module.